The table gives the distribution of the lifetime of 400 neon lamps. That means total N is given as 400. This addition is given as 400, that is N value. Okay. Now we should find median lifetime of a lamp. So for that we should add one CF column here. So 14 plus 56 will give 70. 70 plus 60 means 130. 130 and 86 will give 216. 216 and 74 will give 290. 290 and 62 will be 352, and 352 48 means 400. So these two values are same. Now n by 2 we will find here, that will be 200. So nearest greater number greater than 200 is 216. So this will be median class. So L will be lower limit of the median class, that is 3000. F will be 86 and CF will be preceding to median class. So CF is 130. Okay, and H is 2000 minus 1500 means 500. So now these all values will substitute in median formula, which is L plus N by 2 minus CF divided by F into H. So L is 3000, N by 2 is 200, CF is 130, F is 86, H is 500. So this will be, see, this will come 70 by 86 into 500. So what we can do, from 500 we can cancel this, or from 2 if you want to cancel, so it will 2 4s are 2 3s are. Okay, so now this will become from 7 you can multiply, 7 5s are 35, 7 2s are 14, and 3 1 7 divide by 43. So from 43 we will divide this number. So we'll check 43, 2 3s are will be 129. So 43 4s are we will check 172. That means 43 1s are 43 4s are 172. Okay, so now 3 will remain. So 30 won't go with 43. So what we will do, we'll take 300. So we should put 0 here. Okay, so 43 into 300. So 430, suppose 43 with 9 you can check. So 387 is coming. That means 43 8s are, or 43 6s are 258 is coming. Okay, 258. So 43 6 are we can write, 43 6 are 258. So now 42 will remain here. Okay, 42, so we should put 0 and decimal here. So 420 will go with 9s are we can see. Okay, so 43 9s are. So final answer will be 3406.9.